Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update here on the VIX and trading vol a little bit here. Um, this is the VIX index, so the actual cash index. And when we look at the chart from this year and last year, guys, this is this has been the range we've been trading around. This is one of my favorite strategies, actually. So we play this a few ways, but you can play calls on the actual index itself. All right. But anytime we get to the bottom of the range, really, you want to be a seller if you're long stocks in general. And then when we get these pullbacks, you revisit the top end of the range. So you can see, I mean, you can overlay a regression channel if you want. Here, guys, on the down here. This is one standard deviation. This is two. Let's see if I can just put this on real quick. All right. So you can see yesterday we're back to the top of the range. So if you get me back towards 11 and under, all right, you want to be more constructive or bullish on the VIX or volatility. And then when you get to the top end of the range, you should look for pullbacks to buy in U.S. stocks and or come out of your VIX calls. Okay, so this is one way to play the range on the VIX. And then when we get high within the range, I like going to UVXY, which is an ETF. And a lot of people make the mistake of playing this on the long side, which we don't want to do, okay? Because this thing will naturally drift lower. It has to do with the roll, has to do with the way the ETF is structured. But you don't really want to play this on the long side. We only want to play it on the short side. All right, so this is what we were working on this week. On the VIX is, or on UVXY, is every time we get to the top end of the range, it's really hard for me to go back. The last time we were shorting or buying puts on UVXY, we were up 24.25, and you can see I was covering. So we covered here Monday, all right, and now we're back on the short side of this thing. And you can see what I like to do is establish a core via puts out, 6-9 months. All right, and then also we day trade around the smaller term moves. So when I'm trading this early in the week, I'll buy puts out to Friday, and then when we get to the back half of the week, I'll be trading around puts that expire next week, next Friday. So we've traded this 3 times the last couple days, but when we get to the top of the range, up here around 18, buying 17.5 puts. Bought those for $1, sold them for $1.30. Rebought some here yesterday into the move. All right, and then covered this morning. I was on the webinar yesterday, but this would have been a great opportunity to buy 18 puts. You would have walked in today and probably been up 30-50% on those alone. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show that. All right, we're going to keep trading this around. Anytime you get me above 18.5, 19, we'll buy the out of the money weekly puts. All right, and then when we tag the bottom of the range, we just come out of those. So here's what that looked like today in our active trader room. And for those of you that are new, I mean, you can visit our site. You can sign up for the real-time alerts. That's $150 a month. I mean, you can see how just one trade, the guy is just signaling simple trades on this ETF. I mean, that's a nice day with not a lot of work. I mean, this thing just naturally likes to go lower. So let's take advantage of that and use that as our edge. Yeah, I encourage you to join. If you want to learn to trade the model, you can join our full access team. I would go to jenkinsrm.com. Here's what that site looks like, jenkinsrm.com. And again, you can join our real-time alerts and or the full access team. We trade together every day. Just right here, guys. All right, hopefully you can see that. Anyway, enjoy your weekend, and we'll be trading this one again Monday, Tuesday.